Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this complex number problem. As per the problem, given that z equals x plus 4i over 1 plus xi, x can be any real number and z is a real number, find the possible values of x. We have to analyze the given expression for z to find the possible values of x. We are given that z is equal to x plus 4i over 1 plus xi. In this expression, I is the imaginary unit. We can find the possible values of x by changing this expression into a complex number in standard form, which is a plus bi. We have to simplify this expression to change it into standard form. For that, we should use the conjugate method because there is I in the denominator expression. We have to get rid of I in the denominator because in the standard form there is no I in the denominator. Conjugate is an expression which has the same terms but opposite sign between the terms. So we should multiply this expression by the conjugate of the denominator expression. The conjugate is 1 minus xi. So we should multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1 minus xi. So we get z equals x plus 4i times 1 minus xi over 1 plus xi times 1 minus xi. Next, we can distribute the terms in the parentheses using the FOIL method. In the numerator, we do x times 1, which is x. Then we do x times negative xi, which is equal to negative x square I. Then we do 4i times 1, which is equal to 4i. And then we do 4i times negative xi, which is equal to negative 4x I squared. Because I times I is equal to I squared. Now we can distribute the terms in the denominator. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative xi is negative xi. Xi times 1 is positive xi. Xi times negative xi is equal to negative x squared I squared. In the numerator, we can replace I squared with negative 1. Because I squared is equal to negative 1. In the denominator, we can combine like terms. Negative xi and positive xi cancel each other out. And we can replace I squared with negative 1. Negative 4x times negative 1 is equal to positive 4x. In the denominator, negative x squared times negative 1 is equal to positive x squared. Next, we can combine like terms in the numerator. X plus 4x is equal to 5x. We can rearrange the I terms in the numerator. We want to write the expression for z in the standard form a plus bi. So we can factor I from the two terms in the numerator expression. Next, we can break up this expression into two fractions. The real part of this complex number is 5x over 1 plus x squared, and the imaginary part is 4 minus x squared I over 1 plus x squared. Now we have this expression for z in standard form, a plus bi. As per the problem, z is a real number. That means z has no imaginary part. So the value of the expression we got for the imaginary part should be equal to 0. That means in the standard form, the value of b for z should be equal to 0. As per the expression we got for z in standard form, the value of b is 4 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared, because this is the coefficient of I in the z expression. So the value of this fraction 4 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared should be equal to 0. This is an important concept we need to understand and memorize. We can solve this equation to find the possible values of x. We can cross multiply the denominator expression 1 plus x squared to the right side. I get 4 minus x squared is equal to 0. Next, we can move 4 to the right side of the equation. We should subtract 4 from both sides. Next, we can make x squared positive by dividing both sides by -1. I get x squared equals 4. Next, we can apply square root to both sides. I get x equals plus minus 2. When we apply square root to a number, we get two cases, plus and minus. That means there are two solutions for this problem. X can be equal to plus 2 or x can be equal to minus 2. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.